Okay, so today we're going to be doing puppet, WWE Puppet SmackDown thing.
No, WWE Puppets.
Just, okay, WWE Puppets, whatever, same thing. Okay, so, my friend, William, oh, you can see him, right there.
Okay.
William, he's going to be, fighting a puppet. What's his name again?
Oh, Tony.
Tony.
His name, oh yeah, that's his original name.
So, here, give it to him. Right here.
Careful, it costs $32.
$32 for this beauty.
Toss him back.
I can shoot. Okay, so, alright.
So yeah, it's gonna be a tag team match.
Yeah, it's gonna be, me and him, William. Okay.
Close the blinds.
It's too bright.
Yeah, it's way too bright. Oh wait, not bright.
Oh, so much better.
Yeah, much better.
Okay, so
Do this.
Put him back. Put him back. In this corner, we have William Porter and Justin Wilson. Me.
What are y'all doing?
Making a video.
In that corner, we have Tony the Puppet. Nobody likes him. Okay, alright.
I go in first. Let's do this.
Oh, we can't see the puppet.
Just again.
But not really. Here.
Yeah, there we go.
Wait. Gotta do the other stand.
You want some of this puppet? Come and get it. Tag me. That's what I'm here. Tag me. Oh. Yeah.
Put the camera back. Close it down.
That's good.
I think it killed him. Okay.
Tag me in. Come on. Come at me, bro.
You little kids, this is very intense. Don't try this at home.
Don't do that.
This is real footage. This is not fake.
Hey, what are you doing? We're about to win. 1, 2. Tag me in. No, this is my time. My time is now. My time
has been an episode of Puppet, WWE Puppet.
Yeah!
Hey, don't do that.
Puppet did it.
Don't do that, William.
Me?
Ow! Ow!
He's coming alive.
Ow!